It's June 2014, and my realtor is driving me around to tour the three beaches in Stratford, Connecticut. He's pulling over to the side of the road so that I can see Russian Beach. That's below the bluffs. It's warm and sunny with a slight breeze coming off the water. It's deserted. There are no other cars or people walking around until this older woman appears and she's crossing the road near us. My realtor calls out, "Good afternoon. Excuse me, ma'am. This lady is looking to purchase a home. How is it to live here?" She doesn't hesitate. "It's lovely, except for the damn mosquitoes. There's no avoiding them. I've tried everything. Nothing works." Stratford is a contrast from where I live in Brooklyn, New York, just 70 miles away. I live in an apartment on a busy, noisy street. To live here would feel more like being on vacation. I purchased a house 2 blocks from the beach. The houses are mostly single family. People are living as families with multiple dogs. I didn't have one, and I live on my own. I hope I'll fit in. It's day 2. I'm on my front lawn, and my next door neighbor comes over. "Good morning. I'm Paul. Welcome to the neighborhood. You know, we take good care of our lawns here." Now, by Brooklyn standards, my front lawn was just fine, but obviously Paul didn't think so. A few weeks later, Paul unexpectedly gifts me freshly steamed lobsters. 2 months later, he suggested I get a pet and he offers to pet sit for me. I began my own neighborhood traditions of welcoming people to the neighborhood by leaving a bottle of wine at their front door. I tell Paul he likes the gesture and says he'll contribute to purchasing welcome wine next time. I don't tire of it here. There are seagulls instead of pigeons and foghorns in the middle of the night instead of blasting fire engines. It's a place where folks strike up conversations without looking at the time. Having a sense of adventure and being open to local ways help me feel like I belong.